In this quick demo, I'll show you 3 AI agents working together to complete a dev task from a JIRA ticket, completely automatically, no human intervention at all. On the left, I've got my JIRA project. On the right is the Orchestrator app I built. It's running and listening for any changes in JIRA. I'm creating a new ticket, something like create a simple circle class, but I'm intentionally leaving the description incomplete, just to simulate a real-world situation where requirements are missing. As soon as I assign the ticket to the AI user, the Orchestrator app picks it up, and the Triage Agent steps in. It doesn't just read the ticket, it also looks at the existing code base, so its decision is based on both the description and the actual project context. After analyzing everything, it realizes the ticket is incomplete and automatically asks for clarification. So I jump back in as the human user and respond, adding the missing details about creating a circle geometry class and a small demo file. The Orchestrator detects my comment, and the Triage Agent reviews everything again, this time finding the description and context satisfactory. It then moves the ticket into the ready state, meaning the work can begin. That's when the developer agent takes over. The agent starts by creating a new branch on Git, then building the implementation, actually writing the code, creating the geometry file, the circle class, and the demo index. Then, following the project's coding standards, it sets up the proper TypeScript configuration and installs any missing packages. Once it's done, it commits the changes and hands things off to the tester agent. It does this by moving the ticket to ready for QA. The QA tester agent can only read. It can't modify anything, but it performs a full review, running tests, checking TypeScript validation, comparing the implementation to the ticket and comments. When everything passes, it posts a detailed summary back in JIRA, confirming that QA testing succeeded. If there was any issue, the developer agent would fix it. Finally, since QA passed, the QA agent pushes the branch to GitHub. And there's a GitHub action workflow set up so that whenever a branch with the AI prefix is pushed, it automatically opens a pull request. But we don't stop here. As soon as a new branch is pushed with the AI prefix in its name, the tech lead agent jumps in. It fetches the JIRA ticket details and cross-checks them against the code changes and the agreed coding standards. In this new example, the ticket asked for a screen PPI density tool that returns a string low, medium, or high based on given thresholds, but the code was implemented incorrectly on purpose. It just returns is retina true or false as a boolean. The tech lead agent spots this discrepancy and posts a comment on the PR, tagging the AI agent user. The Orchestrator app detects the mention, and the developer agent immediately gets to work, fixes the logic, and pushes the update to the same branch. At the end of this process, the tech lead agent reviews the new commit, confirms everything matches the ticket and standards, and approves the pull request. At this point, a human developer can come in for a final check and merge. So from creating the ticket, to writing code, to running QA, to opening a PR, and performing the whole PR review process, from PR creation to review to correction to approval, everything happens in just a couple of minutes, fully automated end-to-end. Pretty amazing to watch. 4 agents, 1 Orchestrator app, and 0 human effort.